How to fix search bar on TikTok. So if you want to fix your search bar on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. And if your search bar is not working, then you can just remove the application from your background and again relaunch your TikTok application. Once you relaunch, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to your TikTok application and then go with the app info. Now, under app info, you will have storage and cache. Tap on it and then go with clear cache and also go with clear storage. Once you clear the cache and the storage, then it will sign you out of your TikTok account and you might need to sign in again to use your TikTok. So once you clear the cache and storage, you need to open up your TikTok and just sign in. And once you sign in, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then the last way, what you can do is you need to simply open up your Play Store or your app store and then go with search, and here you need to search for TikTok, and here you will have an update. If you have any updates, then it might be causing a problem, so you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you update it, then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your search bar on TikTok, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.